Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to look at a neat trick for keeping all your cables for a device in order. For a Uniden SDS200 scanner, when I got it, I took some white paper and some packing tape that's clear. I made labels for both sides, and then I taped them onto the wire so that way I'll know what device all those little wires go to. Stay tuned for some more fun with this. We'd like to ask that you please subscribe, hit the like button, and the notify to stay current with our content. Thank you. And there's nothing sacred about the Uniden. You can do it with a Bal Fang, and for all your different Bal Fang radios, you can keep all the cables organized so you know what radio type they go to. They may look very similar, but they may not have the same functionality. So again, it's just printed on your laser printer. You cut them out in little strips. You take some packing tape, wrap it around the wire, and away you go. You can do them by hand too. So there's one for the FT70 power cord, and then I have another one for the FT5D power cord. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's a quick and little trick to keep all those cables organized. Hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.